Hey, welcome back. Today we've got a quick video on this Vulcan 750 that I'm working on. See, we've already got the rear wheel off and the final drive, and we're doing some other work. There's some more videos coming with that. But today's video, what you're going to see is the carburetors on this. I finally got them back in, and really what I was doing was just testing for leaks because they've leaked a couple times. Everything is good now, as you'll see in the video with it. A lot of what you're going to see is really just going to be me playing with the camera, trying out some different settings and stuff on it. So again, we are testing the carbs on it. That is the whole point of it. But it was just me playing with the phone and having some fun with it. So let's cue the intro and enjoy. Here we are, working on the Vulcan 750 today. Finally got the carbs back in for like the third or fourth time, I think. We're about to go hook up a fuel bottle and see if it leaks. It's been running fine with it. The carbs have just been leaking, so quick look around here. I don't have some of the vent lines hooked up, and I don't have the ears back on, so the airbox stuff is just open on here. Again, mainly just looking to see if it's going to leak. We'll also run it. So, let's go fire it up. Add some coolant in it before we start it. All right, there's no gas leaks at the moment. Everything looks good. We're gonna try and start it. If it doesn't start, we'll got some spray down there. We're in neutral, choke's on. Let's find out what happens. No starter fluid needed. Let it run for a minute. far, no leaks. Just gonna leave it running for a couple minutes. Running without the choke, but it's probably because we don't have the air boxes on. And the carbs still need to be adjusted. Good. It'll probably die in a second, but it's running. Not that it hasn't before, but it's running and not leaking. So got the gas bottle turned off, waiting for the bowl to empty. No leaks.